Hello everyone! Gibuhat ako ni nga video para sa ako mga estudyante nga Bisaya kay ang ilang maestra Bisaya pod. Okay, so this is computing salary, wage, and commission. Ang reference is gikan sa lesson exemplar for General Mathematics Quarter 1. Consider these problems. Ang problem number 1 to 4, basic lang siya nga mathematics operation, which are essential for calculating wages, salaries, and commission. Number 5 is already an example in calculating wages, salary, and commission. So, una, tanaw na to ang problem number 1. A person earns 150 pesos per hour. How much will they earn if they work for 8 hours in a day? So, kung magtrabaho ang sa katao, naa siya'y sweldo nga 150 kada oras per hour. Per hour kada oras. So, pila man ang iyang ma-earn if mo work siya 8 hours in a day. So, pasabot, in one day, pila iyang ma-earn? Okay. Ang answer, tama. 150 pesos ang iyang per hour since kay naa siya 8 hours in a day. So, multiply by 8. The answer is 1,200. Okay, nakuha na. Okay, next, number 2. An annual salary is 60,000 pesos. How much is the monthly salary? Okay, maintag annual salary means sa isa ka tuig, no? Nga sweldo niya. Sa isa ka tuig, na siya sweldo nga 60,000 pesos. So, how much is the monthly salary? Pila ang iyahang monthly or kada bulan nga madawat? Okay, pila man iyong answer? Okay, tama. 60,000 divided by 12. Nganong gi-divide by 12? Kay ang 1 year, since sama siya annual salary nga 60,000, that is equivalent to 1 year. Ang 1 year na atay 12 months. So, 60,000 divided by 12 equals 5,000 pesos. For this example, ang iyahang monthly salary is 5,000 pesos. For number 3, a worker is paid 25.75 per hour per hour. So that is in pesos. How much will they earn after 6 hours of work? Okay, since kada oras na siya 25.75 pesos, if the worker work 6 hours, same lagi hapon sa example ganina, i-multiply ang 25.75 multiply by 6. So the answer is 154.50 in 6 hours. Example number 4. You are paid 100 pesos for each bag you sew. If you sew 18 bags, how much will you earn? Okay. Kada isa, you are paid 100 pesos. Since kay 18 bags man ang imuhang natahi nga bag, so pila man ang ma-earn? So, ang answer is So, it multiply lang 100 multiply or times 18 bags, that is equal to 1,800. So, for number 5, Angela is a real estate agent in Cebu. She earns a base weekly salary of 2,000 and a 2% commission on total property sales. This week, she sold properties worth 500,000 pesos. What is her total weekly income? Okay, mag-start ta diri. She earns, si Angela, nag-work sa real estate in Cebu as agent. So, she earns a base weekly salary of 2,000. So, kada semana, naa siya base weekly salary nga 2,000. And, so, madugangan siya og 2% commission sa total property nga iyahang nabaligya. So, this week, nakabaligya siya properties worth 500,000 pesos. So, pila man ang total weekly income niya for this week? Okay, solution. Una, naatay base salary nga 2,000 pesos. Sunod, commission. Pag-compute sa commission, since 2% of 500,000. Kay 500,000 man ang iyang nabaligya nga property, kuhaan ni mo ning 500,000 og 2% to compute. So that is equal to 0.02 times 500,000. So that is equal to 10,000. Total income, so ang iyahang base salary nga 2,000 plus the commission nga 10,000. So ang answer, 12,000. No, that is equal to 12,000. So, mana siya ang iyang total weekly income.